As it's from How I Almost Blew It, which Sir contributed to. Beautiful chapter, by the way. Beautiful book, which nobody can read anymore because it's out of print. And rest in peace, Siddharth Sir is no more. Great book. In this book, Sir, you've mentioned that the best thing that perhaps happened to Naukri was Jobs Ahead implosion. Where Jobs Ahead got basically failed merger with Monster.
No, I think we got
which
lucky.
is-
We got lucky in several ways. I think first time we got lucky was we launched Naukri in '97, and we bootstrapped for 3 years and raised venture capital in April 2000. So around mid '99, I began to get offers from venture capitalists saying we want to invest in your company, and we said no. We are quite happy running a small company. We don't want to complicate our lives with a complex agreement with people on the board and so on and so forth. I don't want to be accountable. That same old quest for independence. किसने पैसे डाले हैं तो I will be accountable. They'll give me a target. I set my own targets. I don't want to take on a target somebody else set for me. We said no. And then Jobs Ahead launched with a launch ad campaign on the India-Pakistan cricket series in Sharjah. Now that scared the hell out of us because we had no money. We were breaking even. I wasn't taking a salary, but we were all right. Life was set.
Life was set.
सेट माने कंपनी 3 लाख रुपए महीना कर रही है, ब्रेक इवन कर रही है, ग्रो कर रही है, तो अगले साल 50-60 लाख हो जाएगा. जब 50 लाख हो जाएगा मेरे को 5 लाख की तनख्वाह मिल जाएगी साल की. So I'll be okay.
ठीक है.
That's what I thought. But then Jobs Ahead raised venture capital and launched. When that happened, we went out in the market and we raised venture capital. But this time what happened was we raised in April 2000. 2 हफ्ते बाद market went down हो गया.
So that's super lucky.
So we got the money. We got it at the bubble valuation. We didn't have time to spend it foolishly. If we raised the money 6 months earlier, we would have spent it on the wrong things.
Or if you would have just been like a month late, you wouldn't have gotten the money.
At all. Right?
And then you would have been screwed like totally.
Yeah, so one was that. The second time we got lucky was, I think, when, meltdown हो गया था. Jobs Ahead downsized. And we invested in a sales team that year. We actually grew the headcount. We took a risk, we grew the headcount. I think that was a good call. Because increasing the sales team is what saved the company. I think the third thing that happened was that in 2004 or was it 5, Monster came from the US and bought Jobs Ahead. Now Jobs Ahead was a really good product, really good database, good sales team. So good technology, good product, good sales team. Now when a global large corporation takes over a small Indian corporation, they essentially don't value what the Indian corporation has built very often. So they let go of the sales guys who were the best. They promoted the Monster brand, not the Jobs Ahead brand, because it's a global brand. So basically they bought out a very good asset and company.
And they killed it.
And did nothing with it. And they invested in Monster, which is the wrong thing to do. That was a bad strategic call. That was global corporate ego of a large American corporation coming in saying this Indian company is shit.
Which they acquired for money.
Which they paid money for, and I don't know why they bought it if they're not going to invest behind it.
Yeah.
Okay. So to me, so to us, that was a lucky break. Because if they'd invested behind Monster instead of Jobs Ahead, we were toast.
Yeah.
I mean, Jobs Ahead instead of Monster, we were toast.
Yeah.
Right? They didn't do that. So that was a misstep on the part of Monster management, I'd say. Because Jobs Ahead was a good team, good product, good engineering.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we've been lucky,
Yeah, this is what Mr. Nitin Kamath says. Great person, of course, and great line where he said outcomes in businesses are mostly driven by luck. And being
I wouldn't say mostly. I would say to some extent. You also have to be lucky. You can't just make it on luck, but you also it's useful to be lucky. But देखो, I was taking a session for the senior management of Yum Brands, KFC, about 8-10 years ago, 12 years ago. A friend of mine from college was the India country manager, and he'd invited me to give a talk to his senior team. I was telling the story of Naukri, and one of the things I said was that we also got lucky.
Mm-hmm.
So he interjected. He said, let's discuss luck.
Mm-hmm.
And he told his team. Mm-hmm. He said, look, luck is about being at the right place at the right time.
Mm-hmm. With having the right people and the right capital.
Right place, right time, doing the right thing, yeah? Right.
All things right.
Yeah. Okay. So he says, but if you're in enough places, enough times, sooner or later, you will be in the right place at the right time. So the important thing is to keep trying and persevere.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you will get lucky sooner or later. So we kept at it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It took us 14 years to get lucky.
Mm-hmm.
We got lucky.
Mm. It's but still, sir, your perspective is more the man against the machine or man against the world kind of a narrative of success, right? Where people are generally now beginning to realize that it's just more than that. It's probably a lot of things that are beyond your control. Stars have to align and so on and so forth. What do you think about that?
No, that's probably true, but like Naren, my friend who was at KFC, said that if you are in enough places, enough times, sooner or later, you'll be at the right place at the right time. The stars will align sometime.
Okay, that's interesting. This is also something related to. This is something that Sir has discussed in this particular book as well, where they've drawn from Sir's experience and wisdom that luck. I believe in the, of course, because you've got to keep yourself motivated where you're more than just a lottery ticket. You have to consider yourself more than just a lottery ticket. But I believe that things have to really pan out beyond your control to actually make things happen for you. Just like that Jobs Ahead implosion.
No, I get that.
Even if you did everything right with your story, it would have been just a month later of your fundraise. If your fundraise hadn't closed at that would have been.
No, I understand that. I do understand that, and I accept.
Maybe then you would have ran out of juice by then, or
it's possible.
Something like that.
It's possible, but देखो, जो all I'm saying is that so long as you persist, so long as you persevere, sooner or later the luck will turn your way.
And you're certain of that. That's
the laws of probability
align.
Will ensure that. Boss, if you're really lucky, you'll get lucky in 5 years.
Yeah.
If you're really unlucky, you'll get lucky in 15 years. And if you're moderately lucky, you'll get lucky in 10 years. ठीक है, बट कभी ना कभी लक फेवर करेगा आपको, बट आप कोशिश करते रहो.